Justin Lobato inside of the Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to talk about the line of Marine 31 products. With that, we have the Marine 31 T-Top Fabric Protectant with SunBlock. Now, this is a great product for protecting all your fabric marine surfaces, whether it be interior or exterior. Now, mostly it's going to be used on a lot of the bimini tops, but there are so many other uses for it. You could use it on the bimini top, you could use it on the fabric on the boat itself, and you could even use it on your patio furniture. It does so well. This product is an easy use product. So once the surface is clean, which you'll of course want to use your Marine 31 fabric and vinyl cleaner first, after it's clean and of course dry, make sure the surface is dry, then you want to go ahead and shake the can to make sure it's well mixed. And then of course from there, you're going to be about 18 to 24 inches, which is about, 1.5 to 2 feet away from the surface as you spray. And as you spray, you're going to want to go in nice foul swoop like motions and overlapping. Once you spray the total surface area that you're trying to protect, you're going to let that dwell for about 10-15 minutes before you reapply additional coats. Now, on some of the older fabric surfaces, you may want to apply multiple coats to achieve the maximum protection. It's going to lead to repelling dirt, soil, dust, heavy contaminants from the elements such as bird droppings, acid rain. I mean, this stuff does wonders when it's applied properly. And of course, with this protectant, you have the unique proprietary blend of the Marine 31 UV absorbers and of course, the Ciba Tinuvin UV Blockers. Now with that, that's gonna give you a power punch of protection. It's gonna help preserve all of your fabric surfaces to their full potential, of course, with the Marine 31 T-Top Fabric Protectant and SunBlock. For more information about the Marine 31 products or the Marine 31 T-Top Fabric Protectant with SunBlock, visit Autogeek.com.